Hello, I have the first unboxing of the Make Market D-Stash coming right up. Hi, I'm Nancy, Pampered with Diamonds, and if you're in the market for a Make Market kit by Michaels, you're in the right place. Because I have some that I am de-stashing. How much? Well, you tell me. Whatever you say, plus shipping. Shipping goes for $12 to $15 for these kits. So you make me an offer, pamperedwithdiamonds@gmail.com, and we'll talk. I do PayPal. So, what's my first kit? Glad you asked. Well, it is a round. It is a 16 by 20. It is a snowman. Yes, it is. It has 26 colors. 26. Okay, let me open it now. I'm getting rid of this one because I have another kit that's a Snowman family. And I'm going to do that one rather than this one. And I don't know why I'm singing everything. That's just me. All right, that is the bottom. With Make Markets, you've got the number at the bottom. These are the old, this one's from last year. Because, how do I know? There's no DMC numbers. Well, Make Market doesn't use DMC. They use a diamond dot system. But this year, they've upped their game. There's now a number on their color grid. So, yeah, I don't remember if it's a Make Market or if it's a Diamond Dots number. I think it's just DMC number. So, but this is the Snowman. He's beautiful. Yeah. Stickers great. All these wrinkles are purely from the cover sheet. The canvas is not wrinkly, I promise, and it's laying flat perfectly. It's a little bit, see, look how smooth. It's from the sticker sheet. So let me show you how big it is. Look at him. It's not that big. It's a 16 by 20. He's beautiful. All right, you get your instructions. You get your fancy dancy kit, toolkit. You get your pen, your squishy, your wax, your tray, and some good quality bags. These are better bags than the ones with the red lines. These are much better baggies. So if you don't use those bags to kit up in or store your leftover drills, they are great for taking things like if you have to bring pills on a trip, you can put them in the baggies. If you like to travel with a sewing kit, you can put a small spool of thread in there and a needle and a threader. You're all set. So these baggies can be used for lots of different things. So I like the baggies. Okay, here are our colors. There they are. What color could I sub to help make this an even better offer for you? I can definitely, because it is square drills. I thought the box said round. Nope, It is square drills. All right. I do have square drills. I have square drills in ABs, and I have square drills in fairy dust. And I can substitute, I can give you some red ABs or fairy dust or some orange. Let's see. What color is his nose? L, M, and T. L, M, and T. So we need 12, 13, and 20. 12, 13, and 20. Gotta move that all out of the way. Here's 12. Yep, I can probably have some of those. I know I have some 13s. Oh, you can't really see it. Whoops. Okay, I can substitute for these squares. Definitely. You let me know. And 20. Oh yeah, that's like a red. Absolutely. So let me know if you want me to throw in some special drills and tell me what area you would like to bling up. We've got black for buttons. I can do ABs for the buttons. We can do the cheek of the snowman. See the cheek? We could do his pom-pom. We can sprinkle some around the perimeter in the snow, maybe make his body twinkle. You let me know if this is something that you would like to have and you want me to throw in some special drills. I even have some crystals. I don't know if I have square crystals, but for the round crystals, you just want to use 4 dots when you're going to substitute. It would look fine. We could do crystals in the buttons. Yeah, that's an option. So this is Snowman, 26 colors, plus I will throw in an AB. You let me know, or a fairy dust, You have to let me know in the email that you want one of those. And we will deal, we will talk. So this is Snowman. Make me an offer and you pay for shipping, and he will show up in your mailbox. Yes, he will. I am Nancy. I'm pampered with diamonds. I give this kit a thumbs up. I really like it. Be kind, everyone. Be kind. And have a wonderful day.